In this video, you'll learn about activity streams. Within the base navigation, students and faculty can see a list of recent course activity listed chronologically with the command activity stream. Here you can see the type of content added as well as have a link to view the new content inside of the course. Stream notifications can be adjusted by selecting the Settings command to open the Notification Settings menu. Here you can adjust the daily digest listings to only see certain alerts inside of the activity stream, but there are other alert options. You can revise email notifications to receive email now or wait till the end of the day for a daily digest for all of your courses. Email notifications also allow students to receive notice of available content, due dates, and grades, whereas email notifications for instructors allows instructors to receive notice of new content as well as items to grade. Although e-learning offers you an option to receive text alerts, students can receive automatic alerts for due dates with the Blackboard Student app. So, just adding alerts through push notifications makes the app more useful. So consider using the activity stream to receive alerts inside and outside of the e-learning course for new activities and content. For more information, please watch our other videos or contact us with elearning@utdallas.edu.